and welcome to today's Peephole frame tutorial. The one, you know, from the Friends television series in Monica's apartment on the purple door. This one is going to be crocheted, and I'm using a 5x7" frame in centimeters, 13x18 centimeters. And we need some yellow yarn, and I'm starting with a slip knot and chain 71. So chain 71, and then the first row is all single crochet. So in the chain, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. In the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. Again, in the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. Almost done with the first row. And then you chain 1. Turn it over. Second row, all single crochet again. Almost done with the second row. And chain 1. Turn it over. The third row we start with 26 single crochet. So 26 single crochet. Next 5 half double crochet. So in the chain, yarn over, yarn over, in the chain, pull it through once, yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops on your hook. This one, yarn over, in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. Yarn over, in the chain, yarn over, pull it through one, yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops. That's 3, 4 and 5. Next one, 3 double crochet, yarn over, in the chain, yarn over, pull it through one, yarn over, pull it through 2, and then you have 2 left, yarn over, and then you pull it through. Yarn over, in the chain, yarn over, pull it through 1, so you have 3 left, yarn over, pull it through 2, through 2, so you have 2 left, yarn over, and there's 3. Followed by 2 triples, so yarn over twice, into the chain, yarn over, pull it through once, yarn over, pull it through the next 2, yarn over, pull it through the next 2, yarn over and pull it through 2. Again, yarn over twice, into the chain, yarn over, pull it through 1, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. Next, 3 double crochet, and 5 half double crochet. Followed by 26 single crochet. And that's it. cut this off. Do the stitching. So that's my left side. Okay, so now we have to make it fit on this side. So this is going to be the longer side. So I'm starting to roll up one end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 times. And then I take my needle, just loose it a bit, it's not too tight. I take my needle and stitch it right on, go through the center, and all the way through to the other side. One more time. And then I do this on the other side too. So roll up the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then loose it a bit. And then I'm going to stitch it right across. From one side to the other. So enough that it stays in place. So let's see how this turns out. So the curved side shows to the outside, and then okay, it is long enough, but we still have to have the shorter side. So you do the pattern 26 on this side, 5 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, 3 double crochet, 5 half double crochet, and 26 single crochet on the other side. That's the pattern. You do that 4 times, and then you roll up the ends, stitch it, and then you have 4. So those are my shorter ones. And then if it turns out and the longer ones are too long, then you can roll it up a bit more. Just make it fit. So just roll it up a bit more, and then you can fix it either with the stitching or you do it with the glue gun. This is the final look of my peephole frame after a few adjustments, and I hope yours looks similar and you're happy with the outcome. If you like this video, give it a like or subscribe, and I hope I see you next time. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.